In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the AI Siri stuck on a waitlist problem. So if you are having an issue where it's been a really long time and your AI Siri is just still on a waitlist, there are a few ways which you can go ahead and fix this. So I'm going to show you what to do. So now let's say you basically set up this AI Siri, you're on the iOS 27 update, and it's basically been on the waitlist for a while and you want to get off of it. You don't know why it's stuck on it. There are a few things which you can go ahead and try to do. So basically, if you haven't been on the wait list for at least a few hours, I would just recommend waiting at least a few hours because usually it takes a few hours at least. But if it has been a few hours, there are a few things you could try. So the first thing I would recommend you try to do is restarting your phone fully. So like turn your phone fully off and turn it back on. That's one thing which you could go ahead and do. Another thing you could do is go ahead and turn your phone on airplane mode for a little bit, like 5 to 10 minutes, and then turn it off airplane mode. That's another thing you could do, and I have seen a few people fix it by doing that, and it actually helps speed up the wait list. Now, another thing you need to do, you need to make sure you are on the iOS 27, because if you are not on iOS 27, it will not go ahead and basically work for you in general. And then the final thing that you could go ahead and try to do is clear out some of your data. If you have like a lot, if you're close to full data, it's going to take a while for it to be able to go ahead and update. But you could go ahead and clear out some of your data, which is another possible way to go ahead and fix it. Other than that, just wait it out. If it's still not working, wait it out and you will get it eventually. Just go ahead and let it sit and wait. But there are a few ways that you could go ahead and try to fix it. But yeah, hopefully this video did help you. If it did, consider subscribing. And yeah, that is about it.